I read in newspaper you like motorbikes.
Love motorbikes.
I know, yeah. You have some?
I've got
2, 3, 4, 5.
Wish.
No,
Come on,
one.
mate. I've just about bought a tiny little one-bed flat in London.
Okay.
That's it. So I've got one motorbike, but I was doing Wicked, and I had to get the train in every day, and it was like an hour on the train. I lived within London, but the tube system in London can be like the Deutsche Bahn, quite temperamental.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm going to go buy a little scooter. So I thought, I'll get a scooter. Just be like a couple of grand, I'll just pick one up. It'll be what I pay for my travel. Travel in London is bless you, it's so expensive. So I was like, what I was going to pay in a year, I'll just buy a little Vespa, little 50cc thing. You imagine me on that anyway. So I walked into the shop and I was like, excuse me, kind sir, I'd like to see your finest Vespa. And he was like, there, through the back. And as I walked through the back, I was like, what is that? He was like, it's a Triumph Bonneville, it's about to come out. And I was like, yeah, that's what I want. I don't want that, And he was like, okay. So I sat there, put a deposit down, and I bought the bike. And he went, you have got a motorbike licence, have you? I was like, nope. He's like, right, take yourself upstairs and go and book in. So then I did, and within 3 weeks, I passed my test, and I picked up a motorbike. And I've been riding for like 10, 11 years now. And yeah, I love it. And it was a way of getting around the city. I don't have a big fast bike. I'm not into that. I just like it to be loud and look cool. It's the same bike that Steve McQueen rode.
Oh, okay.
In like the Great Escape. That's the sort of thing. Okay. And last time I was on tour, so not this tour, because we toured a bit later on in the year last time, so we sort of hit the spring, summer. So and we've just been in Stuttgart, but last time we were in Stuttgart, we were there for 2 weeks, and a day off fell in Stuttgart. So I rang BMW in Stuttgart, and I said, hi, I'm just calling on behalf of Oliver Savile. I work for him. He's currently in the Rocky Horror Show, and he really likes motorbikes. Is there any chance of us getting him one? They went, of course. We'll give him one for 3 days. Okay. And I was like, oh my God, that actually worked. So they lent me a motorbike for 3 days, and I went into the Black Forest.